Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so that is really neat and exciting. So I will talk to you guys when I am done work. So talk to you guys when I'm done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, it's ATO. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading home. So I will talk to you guys when I am done. So I'm just heading home from work. So we are going bowling tonight. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So talk to you guys when I'm done. So right now, you guys, we are bowling. So that's what we are doing. So we are going bowling. Playing shuffleboard, you guys, yeah. We have played shuffleboard for a while. So right now, you guys, we are having this with the beans. I mean, what is this, Dad? Roast beef with scalloped potatoes, you guys. And then what other things are we gonna have? Dad? Carrots, potatoes, vegetables. So that's what we're having, you guys. So today was a busy day, you guys. We went bowling, we worked, and I'm gonna end today's video. But before we do, you guys, guess who won? Technically, I did not win, you guys. It was my sister, and then the other game was my dad, I believe. I believe so. But I did not win. I lost 2 games. I'm sad. But that's okay, you guys. It's just a game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want to do. I'm going to eat some Skittles when I'm editing this video. Because Skittles are the best. So talk to you guys when I am done.